Welcome back, dear learners. Before the ad break, we were able to prepare a CRJ, post it to the general ledger, and we were also able to do the accounting equation. I have with me here another activity that I want us to work together through. Make sure you have your calculator close to you. All right, let's look at it. And it reads, Michael Jones has recently started a business, MJ Traders. Michael has no knowledge of accounting and has asked you to prepare the CRJ for the month of May. The business uses a markup. So the moment they give you this, they're saying, remember the UK method. We're going to apply it here. Use the information below to prepare the CRJ for the month of May. And the information is as follows. Okay? So the owner Michael deposited 300,000 as capital. So receipt number 1. So I'm going to come here. So I'm starting now. I have my receipt number 1 and the date is the 1st. The details, remember who gave us the money? It is Michael. Okay, so here's my Michael. And then I'm not going to write it in the analysis of receipts. I'm going to come now to my bank, which is 300,000. I come again, sales. Do I record sales? No, you got me there. It doesn't go to the sales. It goes straight into your sundry accounts, 300,000. This is one of the mistakes that most of you would make to bring it into the sales column. Should it come here? No, because the money was for capital. It must not come into the sales column, but rather we bring it to the sundry accounts, then we say capital. And then we are done with transaction number 1. The second one now is on the 9th. It says cash sales. So we are coming here on the 9th. The details, cash sales. So I'm going to say sales here. And then it says there is no rand value given. This is a bit weird. Let's see. The cost of sales is 8,500. But I don't have sales. What can I do? Remember the UK method. So that means you need to calculate your sales. What is it that you want? You want selling price. Remember, cost is always 100. Markup in this case is 100%. So 100. Selling price, therefore, will become 200. What is it that you want? You want 200. What do you have? 100 multiplied by the 8,500. That should give you, please punch that in your calculator quickly. How much do you get? Yes, you get 17,000. So when you come here, your sales, I'm now on analysis of receipts. I have 17,000. And then under my bank, I have again the same 17,000. I come to sales, 17,000 as well. On my cost of sales, then I record the 8,500. Let's quickly go to the next one. It says, on the 24th, so let's come to the 24th, it says, cash sales for the week, okay? So these are from your CRT, remember, your document, it is your cash register tape, and then cash sales for the week, it is 50,220. So I'm going to come again and say, sales, so here on the analysis, 50,220. Bank, 50,220. Sales, you know by now, 50,220. Then, remember the markup is the same. So what is it that I want this time? I'm given the sales. That means I don't have the cost of sales. That's easy. What do? Cost is 100. So you want 100. What you have is 200 multiplied by 50,220. Please punch that quickly in your calculator. How much do you get? Someone is saying, Mr. Simbi, I have 25,110. Please check if you're getting the same figure on your calculator, 25,110. Thank you. So that means I'm going to come here and I'm going to have my cost of sales, 25,110. Let's go to the last one. Total credit card sales, 71,960. All right, so I'm coming again here. So, and then it is on the 30th. I'm saying sales again, and then 71,960. 160. All right? And then 71,960. On my sales, it's going to be the same again, 71,960. When I now come to my cost of sales, I still need to calculate this. Remember, what you want is 100. What you have is 200 multiplied by 71,960. Let me see those calculators working. All right, I'm waiting for the figure. Thank you so much. How much do you get if you punch that in the calculator? 35,980. You're correct. So we bring the 35,035 here. Let's write it neatly. You're going to get 35,980. Then your CRJ is complete. So all you need to do now is to total up. If you add up your bank column, it should give you 439,180. Your sales column, 139,180. Then your cost of sales column, 69,590. And lastly, your sundry accounts, you have your 300,000. All right. Once you have this, you mustn't waste time. Let's quickly see how we would post this now into the general ledger. Okay, so this is how the solution looks like. Let's take this information and post it to the general ledger. Here is my general ledger. Okay, let's quickly go. Let's see. So remember, bank. So I'm going to post this to my bank account. So I'm going to say sundry accounts here. Sundry accounts. What is this? Total receipts. Okay, total receipts. How much did I get? 439,180. 439,180. I've posted this. Okay, and then I'm going to come now and post my sales amount. In my sales amount, I'm coming now to the credit side and I'm going to say bank. And how much is that? 139,180. What else do I post? Cost of sales. All right. Cost of sales, remember, plus here. And then trading stock. You still following? How much is that? 69,590. And I taught you that this account should then speak to my trading stock account. All right. So if I've debited my cost of sales, I must then credit my trading stock with what? With cost of sales. How much do I get? 69,590. Once you have this, then that means you have completed your general ledger. And once your general ledger is completed, you can then post it on to the trial balance. Remember? And the trial balance, I'm just going to take the bank account balance as it is, and I'm going to bring it to my trial balance. So on the debit side, I'm going to have now my 439,180. All right? And then on my trading stock, on my trading stock account, I'm going to take you back. I just want to show you something. In my trading stock, remember, you must have a balance here. So let's assume our balance again was 100,000. So if it was 100,000 and you have sold goods for 69,590, please punch that in your calculator. You should then get 30,410. So that means I'll come here and then I'll have 30,410. Then I'm going to post now from my sales. You remember the sales figure. How much was it? 139,180. Lastly, cost of sales, 69,590. That is how you will then complete your trial balance. I want us to quickly look at something now which is very interesting as we are about to go for another ad break. And this is the accounting equation. Okay? I want us to quickly do this. Number one, it reads, the owner invests personal cash into the business. We did one like this before. Okay, CRJ, we are receiving bank, which once it's bank, assets, plus 350. Okay, account credited, capital. Okay, let's quickly come back. We are back. Here it's capital, and then capital affects owner's equity plus 350. Does it affect our liabilities? No. So you need to put a 0 under liabilities to show that there is no effect. Let's come here and see this one. Sold goods for cash. Remember? Biscuit. All right? Biscuit. Bank. All right? Bank. How much are we dealing with here? 30,000. Okay? Sales affects owner's equity plus 30,000. Liabilities, no effect. And then we come here, cost of sales. Cost of sales and expenses increasing, therefore owner's equity is decreasing. 15,000. That 15. Then trading stock. On my trading stock, I'm going to come here, what do I say? Minus 15,000. Liabilities, no effect again. Received 17,000 for services rendered. We are receiving. So account debit is bank. Once I debit my bank, my assets is plus 17,000. What happens? Now, when I have received for services rendered, I credit current income. Once I credit current income, owner's equity is increasing. What happens to my liabilities? No effect. So sold goods for 24,000. Again, biscuit. Remember, biscuit. So again, bank, I'm repeating it again, 24,000. Remember, it's a plus 24,000. And then sales. That means I'm coming to my owner's equity. Let's quickly go back. I'm coming to my owner's equity. And then on my owner's equity, I'm saying plus 24,000. And then C is cost of sales. On my cost of sales, I'm now coming to say owner's equity minus 16,000. And then trading stock. Okay, I'm crediting trading stock. That means my asset is going down minus 16,000. Dear learners, we're going to go for a quick ad break. But before you go for the quick ad break, remember, once there is no effect on the liabilities, always put your 0. See you after a quick ad break.